Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp is stuck on WhatsApp locked unlocked with Face ID to open WhatsApp. So guys, the WhatsApp is stuck here, not asking for Face ID or not asking for password. So when we tap on use Face ID, it's not working and it's still stuck on WhatsApp locked. So guys, close and open again to check. So here you can see that the WhatsApp is not working with any Face ID and not asking for any passcode option here. So guys, how can you fix this issue? So guys, simply before starting the video, please like this video and subscribe this channel. So guys, first of all, go to the settings app. So simply scroll down, tap on general, tap on date and time option here. So simply set your date and time. So after set your date and time, so simply set automatically here, and when after setting the time, and then after this the next solution is update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So simply go to settings, tap on general, tap on software update. So wait for checking for update. So guys, if you have available any update on your iPhone, so update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So after this the next solution is update your WhatsApp app. So simply open App Store here. So after go to the search section and search WhatsApp here. So simply update your WhatsApp app if the update is available. So guys, here are the simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.